Every day, millions of us heat up leftovers. But have you ever wondered, can microwaves give you cancer? Let's dive in. Microwaves work by using radiofrequency radiation, a form of electromagnetic energy. But don't worry, it's non-ionizing radiation. That means it doesn't have enough power to remove electrons from atoms, which is what causes cancer. Now, here's the catch. While microwaves can't cause cancer directly, improperly heated food can sometimes create harmful chemicals, like acrylamide, which has been linked to cancer in certain studies. But science is clear. Properly used, microwaves are safe. In fact, the FDA regulates microwave ovens to ensure they don't leak radiation, so you're safe as long as the door seals properly. Bottom line, microwaves won't give you cancer. Just be mindful of how you cook your food. And remember, no need to fear your trusty microwave. It's safer than you think.